Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yesenia. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so every time I upload, you guys will be notified. So for today's video, I created this simple look using the Daisy Marquez BH Cosmetics palette. And let me tell you, I really love this palette. So beautiful, so pretty. Daisy, she did a bomb-ass job with this palette. I recommend it. I love how it came out with these lashes. It brings out the look more so beautiful, so beautiful. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey you guys, so first I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using this Sigma Beauty pomade in the shade medium, and I'm gonna be applying it with my doe color flat angle brush. Next, I'm going to be priming my eyes with my Maybelline concealer in the shade Sand Sable. After that, I'm going to be grabbing this shade called Naked, and I'm going to be setting my concealer. Now, I'm going to be taking this next shade called Dulce, and that's going to be my transition color. I'm going to be taking this shade called Vintage. I'm going to be applying it on top of Dulce, and I'm going to be blending it with this big fluffy brush from Doe Color. I'm going to be blending it and concentrating more in my outer corner. Next, I'm going to be taking Stunt, and this is the beautiful rose gold pinky shade. So right here, I added more of the Vintage shade, and I'm going to be concentrating on my outer corner. Just with the product that I'm left with, I'm going to bring it in the inner corner. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Matter, and I'm going to be using this as my eyeliner. I'm not going to wing it out a lot. I'm just going to I'm just going to be applying this so when I apply my falsies, the lash glue or the lash edge, the lash line doesn't look. I'm gonna be preparing my eyelashes for my falsies, and I'm gonna curl them and use my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. This has been my favorite at the moment. So these are the lashes. They're from a brand called LXK. They came in a box that Beauty Bear sent me full makeup. I was so excited when I received it. Now I'm going to be using my primer, no Problem primer from Touch and Sun. These are the lashes. Look, you guys, they're so beautiful. It brings out the look so beautiful. Next, I'm going to be concealing my scars and my acne with the Maybelline corrector, I believe. I'm going to be applying my infallible Fresh Wear by L'Oreal in the shade 465. Now I'm going to be concealing my under eyes with my H Rewind concealer in this shade Sand Sable. And first I'm applying it with the flat brush, and then I'm going to be blending it with my Doe Color Beauty sponge. I'm going to do a little bit on my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, my fine line. After that, I'm gonna be setting my concealer with my Airspun translucent extra coverage powder all over my face. So next, I'm gonna be bronzing my face, and I'm using this Morphe palette and the 8H palette in the shade Donut. I'm gonna be baking a little under my contour. Next, I'm gonna be taking my Morphe 9B blush palette, and I'm gonna take this orangey shade. Next, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown highlighter in the shade Oval. And I'm going to apply it in the highest points of my face. Next, I'm going to be taking that shade Cocoa, and I'm going to be applying it in my waterline. After that, I'm going to be taking Vintage, and I'm just going to be blending that shade. For my inner corner, I'm going to be using Icy, and this is a white shimmery shade, so beautiful, so pigmented, right for the inner corner. So let's move on to lips. I'm using this Reina Rebelde lipstick in the shade Alma Desnuda, so beautiful, such a beautiful nude color. After that, I'm going to be topping it with the liquid metallic lipstick in the shade Satin Sheet. So after that, this is the final look. Such a beautiful look for spring. I recommend this palette so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next one.